Hi there. In this video, I'm going to show you how to delete your TEMU account. So the first thing you need to do is to open the TEMU app. Once you open it, you will need to go to your account, which is the U in the middle at the bottom. So click on it, and then you will see a lot of options to manage your account. So from here, you will need to click on Settings. Go to Settings and then click on Account Security. So once you click on your account security, you will have the option to delete your TEMU account. So the one on the bottom. So click on it, and then TEMU is gonna confirm with you what's gonna happen if you delete your account. So if you are sure about it, click on the I want to permanently delete my TEMU account and then click on Continue. Make sure that you save all the data that you might need in the future before deleting the account, as you won't be able to access it after you delete the account. And also, if you do have an ongoing order, try to delete the account after you receive the order. Otherwise, you won't be able to access the account to check your order details and any updates regarding it. So basically, this is how you delete your TEMU account.